Hello and welcome to Excel BI Challenge 128. Insert spaces when there is a change between numbers and normal alphabet characters. I have a broad idea how to tackle this, but we will take a look. Anyways, so spaces, insert spaces. So let's split it first. So first string in the let function, then sp for split, mid s sequence len of s. So now we have everything splitted, and now we can apply the en for ISNUMBER, and we can take the ISNUMBER function minus to convert the text to an ISNUMBER, or to a number, and now we can check, is there a number or is there not a number. And now if the argument isn't drop first, then so we will have an error for the last one. If error, no space, and then we will do sp and concat it. And now we've solved the challenge. I show you how it's done. Do we have an error here? No. As you can see, it's 100% the same. So what did we do here? So I will deconstruct the formula again. We don't need the lambda, we don't need the splitting here. I'll do it with this one. So now, so we have the splitting. I see. So we have the splitting here, and then we have the ISNUMBER here. So true false, because there are numbers and alphabetic characters in an alternating order. And now I'll check if the argument changes. So with drop, I erase the first row of this argument chain. I will get an error because there isn't an argument to check at the bottom. So I'll drop this one. Oh no, not drop it. So, and if this is true, then there's the need to include a space, and if it's false, then there isn't a need to include a space. And now you can't see anything, but you can see here there is a space in between, and now we need to have the if error. So if there's an error, so at the bottom of it there isn't a space to include, and then I concat row by row those two things with an end, and if I concat it together, so not row by row the whole way, then you see that there are spaces in between, and that's how you solve this challenge. Let's see what the other guys did. Yeah. So here did basically the same, something with reduce, recursive things. Suppressing a surprisingly long formula from work, but here we will see the next challenge. Thank you for attention. See you next time.